I have someone inside the car now. All right, you can just hold it down. So she pumped the brakes up a little bit, and then she's gonna hold it down. And while she's doing that, I'm going to loosen this. I'm gonna do it one at a time. I'm gonna loosen this brake port and let the air out. You can see some air bubbles coming out the side. And then I'm gonna close it back, have her pump it up again about 2 or 3 times. You can hear her pumping it up. And you hold it, and then she holds it, and then I can loosen this again and let some more air bubbles out. So I don't see any fluid coming out, so that's most likely air. All right, pump it again. Hold it. And we're gonna just continue to do this, maybe about a good 5-6 times, and then I'll do the other one as well. So you can see air coming up still from there. So we're gonna keep doing that. Now that's the lower one. So you wanna do the lower one first, and then we'll do the higher one. So, all right, pump it up again. Hold it. All right, so loosen it up. Hopefully we get some more air out. You can see all those air bubbles right there. So that's exactly what we want to get out. All right. Tell you what, pump it up real quick while I have it loose. Yeah, let's see if we can get fast forward some of this air out. Keep pumping. All right, hold it. All right, now it's time to do this one. So all that air came out of there. All right, pump it up. Let's see if we can get some fluid to start coming out. All right, hold on. All right, pump it up. Hold it. Okay, let's close that off. Pump it up. Hold it. All right. Almost done. All right, so back to this one. So she's holding it down. Now we're gonna loosen it up, hopefully one more time. We should get nothing but fluid coming out and no air. Oh, okay, we got some fluid. We still got a little bit of air. All right, one more time, pump it up and hold it. All right, so that hopefully should be it there. Let's hopefully just fluid comes out this time. All right, there we go. So now that should be it. The bleeding should be done. We should be able to cover this up now, and the soft braking problem should be gone.